Hi you guys, Molly from Molly's Artistry. Okay, this is really my last one for the night. I've got to go inside, I've got to eat, I've got to get my clothes ready for work tomorrow. There's so many things I need to do, but I just love these colors so much. And if you watched the other one that I just did with these same colors, I spilled a lot of my paint off on one of the flips that I did, and I had to stretch the cells out a little bit. So I'm gonna try it again. I can't even remember in the last one, I was so excited about the way that it looked if I even torched, but I normally get a lot of cells before I even torch. So, all right, here we go. Wish me luck. This is before I start, this is a 12 by 24 inch gallery wrapped canvas. I'm using bright aqua, brilliant blue, Payne's gray, black, and white, and my pouring medium. Okay, got that side covered. Had some left in this cup. I'll go ahead and come over here because the colors are really pretty. Get that corner. There was any to save. Okay, I didn't spew that one off, so that's a good sign. Let me try not to do it with this one. Oh, a little bit worse on this one down here, but fixable. Oh, I'll probably put that down there actually, because I'm really like talking to myself, guys. I'm talking to you, but I'm talking to myself. So I hope you can see everything in the camera. I know there's a glare. I'm sorry about that. Okay. Note to self, torch before. See if any other cells want to come up. So this always happens to me, and this sucks, that I have gorgeous cells down here, and I'm probably going to end up spilling them off of the canvas. And I have these cells in the middle that I don't care for as much, and those are going to definitely stay, and they're probably going to get stretched out. So, you know, it's just the way that it is. Again, I put like 1 drop of silicone in one color, 2 drops of silicone in another, and my painting just goes crazy with cells. All right, so I'm gonna try to get a little bit, I'm gonna push the canvas and try to get a little bit of these spread over before I really get started, because I don't want to lose all this stuff on the top and on the bottom over here. Touch the canvas a little bit. This part's gonna be spilled off anyway, so that the paint will flow a little bit better. That's why if you see people doing this, it's because that canvas has that gesso on it and it's a little bit gritty, and sometimes the paint won't want to flow. So if you just touch a little bit of paint right there, it'll flow a little bit better. And again, this part's going to be most likely spilled off anyway. So touch a little bit of that down there. Such pretty cells, but there's so many. Okay, so I've definitely got enough paint. I probably got too much paint because look how much this is spread out already. So I'm gonna try to push some paint off that way and then push some paint off this way. So let's just go side to side. Oh, did my little cup flipped over. Side to side here. I love that aqua in this corner over there. I'm okay with spilling some of this paint off because, there we go. because I had a lot on there. Okay, bring that back down to the center. Let that rest for a second. I've spilled over the sides here. So that's good. Still rolling on down. Let me see my sides over here. I'm good over here. How am I in the camera on the back? Just a little place right there. Should be good. Okay. I don't like this. What's going on there? I don't know what happened there. Oh, cell mania, huh? Lots and lots and lots of cells. Try to stretch some of those out, get some of the paint off. If you don't get a lot of the paint off the canvas, what is going to happen to you is that your painting may crack because it's too thick. So you do want to try to get as much off the canvas as well. So you want to have enough to have the cells do what you want them to, but you don't want to have too much. You don't want to have too much that that your paint is too thick. So let me see, if you tilt it like this and it's still moving a lot, you got a lot of paint on there, or your paint consistency is too thin. I don't know that I want to do much else to this because I think it's really, really pretty. I'm super happy that I did another one. Again, I've got some of these tiny little cells that have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 colors. I did 3 layers in a couple of them, in a couple of the cups. I don't really want to touch this anymore, guys. So I think I'm going to be done with this one. Just touching up my sides there. Oh, so pretty. Wish I could have. I'm gonna have to go to not putting any silicone in some of these. Because I mean, my pouring medium, oh, I don't want to stretch that out. I'm gonna leave this, guys. I'm not gonna fool with this anymore. I'm not fooling with it. I'm not doing it. Oh, it never looks the same in the camera as it does in person. I'll take it down and show you. Ooh, I clipped my finger. Never looks the same, but I'll just run your eyes over it. I don't know if you can focus in on some of those cells. I wish I had some better equipment. Hopefully I will. If you guys like my channel, please subscribe. If you like what you're seeing, I have a few links down below. I have my Etsy, my Facebook. Let me see if I can get in a little bit closer, straight up and down. And that is what it looks like. All right, good night, guys. Until next time. See you later. Bye.